My name is Kayla Tully. I'm an art director and creative director in the advertising industry. I was making very personal art for me and my friends, and now it has the platform and opportunity to reach millions and millions and millions of people. I was born in Alabama, grew up in Nashville, Tennessee, and now I live in New York City. Being an only child and spending a lot of time alone and reading and just going on adventures. And yeah, didn't really have much guidance growing up and just kind of had to make it up myself. D&AD Shift is a very interesting creative incubator that takes the skills that you already have as an artist or a creator and helps you hone them into a portfolio that you can use to get a job. Before Shift, I had a painting residency and had a small little DIY art gallery with some friends of mine. It was fun, but yeah, like I said, was just really looking for the next step, and Shift was it. I made so many important connections during my time at the Shift program. Met leaders in the industry, people that I feel like, in most normal circumstances that I wouldn't have access to. Knowing that they're part of the D&AD family really made a huge impact. If my life and my career and things continue to evolve and change at the rate they have since I started the Shift program, the possibilities are endless, and I think something really, really beautiful is going to happen, and I'm excited.